Hey everybody, my name is Albert Corey, CEO of Entrepreneur Success Academy, where every day we're out there to help your business to increase their bottom line with limited no resources, to make sure that you have the right corporation going, and how to build your business in just 5 minutes a day. That's right, just 5 minutes today. Well, today's topic is going to be, by the way, if you're watching this, I always say sharing is caring. This is super powerful information. Okay, this is very powerful information that, this is powerful information that when using it, my friend, when using it, this will take your business to the next level. So today we're going to talk about how everybody needs a mentor for success. A mentor. A mentor or coach is designed to take you to the next level. Okay? Because we've already gone down your road. Okay? We've already spent the time, effort, and energy. Why should you spend that time and energy? Okay? Get somebody to help you. Now, what's cool about this is I know we're in covert and everything, but there's so many people you can follow on Facebook. There's so many people you can follow on YouTube. Okay, so you just start following them, and guess what? There's virtual mentors you get to follow. And if you're going to do the virtual style, join their groups and start sharing and posting what you want to do. Okay, posting whatever your issue is, and start going back and forth on those groups. Okay? In those groups, start going back and forth. When they have Facebook Lives, you go listen to them. You make sure, if you're following them on YouTube, you set the settings, okay, to make sure when that video pops up, okay, then you get to watch it. And when it first comes out, you're going to start getting the cool information. And then maybe after watching it, you go into their groups and start commenting it. Obviously, another thing you do is start listening to their podcast. Almost every single mentor and coach out there has a podcast. I mean, you can even go listen to mine. Mine is the Increase Their Bottom Line. By the way, if you're ever watching this, even you're watching this on the replays, because, this is going to be on. This is Saturday afternoon. I always say sharing is caring. And if anybody has any questions, everybody's always welcome to come on. Everybody's always Miss Sharon, Shane, Nagel just came on. So if everybody wants to come on and ask a question, you can either come on our live question or leave a post, or even later leave a question, and we'll always answer back. So what you do is you start watching. And what else is pretty cool now, a lot of mentors that you like, okay, I'll guarantee you everybody has a whole bunch of free webinars, all right? A whole bunch of free webinars. I am even on one. I'm going to tell you, I'm on one on Thursday afternoon from 9 a.m. to like 6 p.m. Hi, Laura, another one of my good buddies. So I'll be on Thursday from, I don't know what time I'm on, but I'm on all day. Later, I'll post the link at the bottom here. I'll post the link at the bottom where you can go. And what else is it pretty cool? A, to sign up and join. But B, let me tell you something. If you're going to join these and you followed me yesterday and you're going to go in these groups, you always need to go VIP. Now, we talked about in yesterday, all right, we talked about this yesterday, how you need to go VIP, and we'll put the link below. And anybody who goes VIP on my link and you pay for the VIP, and you send me the receipt through Messenger, I will give you 30-minute free consultation. That's right, I'm going to give you 30 minutes. Miss Patty, another one of my good buddies. So if anybody has any questions or comments, you could always come on and ask. So anyways, what you do after you go on, you ask them the questions. So a lot of mentors and coaches, they come on, they're giving you some awesome tips and tricks. Don't be afraid. Guess what? On a lot of these events, they're going to ask you to buy a course. Well, guess what? if you really want to get stuck, if you're stuck in what you're doing and you want to take it to the next level, that you need to take their classes. You need to take their classes. And that's what I'll tell you. And that's how you get ahead, because we've already gone, we've already gone down the road. In fact, just because you're on today, guys, I got an awesome, awesome gift. My gift to you today is we got the Business Explosion Package. That's right, the Business Explosion Package. What you're going to get if you text Taxman to 26786, that's Taxman to 26786, you are going to get my blueprint. Okay, that's going to show you some simple and easy ways to grow your business. The first thing. The second thing you're going to get is my list of 30 of the best tax deductions that I've been using over 30 years. And the fourth thing, you're going to get the PDF version of my book, The Perception System. It's pretty much how I built my 7-figure business. Okay, guys, so I got to go. Remember, I always say sharing is caring. If you're watching this, always give me some hearts and give me some love. And you could always follow me on all my platforms by going to albertc360.com. Thank you and have an awesome day. Remember, I always say sharing is caring. Bye.